Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have something super exciting because I'm going to be unboxing another Kikki planner that I recently purchased. I initially was going to have only 2 Kikki planners in my 2019 lineup, but I had a moment of weakness and I picked up another planner. So I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys today, and I'll flip through it to show you guys the inserts and dividers that you get in here as well. I also picked up a paper lovers book. This is my very first paper lovers book, so I'll also do a flip of this for you guys to see all of the goodies on the inside. So before I go into this paper lovers book, let's go straight into the planner because I cannot wait. So the planner that I picked up is from the Life is Wonderful collection, and it is the personal sized planner, and it is so gorgeous, you guys. Look how pretty it is. And as you saw, it did come with a dust bag. It didn't come with a box, it just came with the dust bag. So that was a little unfortunate because I like lining up all of my Kikki boxes all together, and plus I have like extra storage and stuff for like inserts. However, I quite like the Kikki bag. I think it is quite nice and a nice change a little bit. So I'll be able to store my other Kikkis in here if I'm not going to be using them. But look how gorgeous this planner is. It is a really pretty like light pink color. This pink is very, very hard to describe. It's very, very light pink. However, it kind of leans towards the purpley side a little bit, but I think it is so pretty, and of course it has some gold foiling. It says Life is Wonderful on the side there, and it's so beautiful. So I'm very happy that I picked this up. This was the planner that I initially wanted to pick up before my other 2 Kikki in personal size, so I had to go back for it. I had a moment of weakness, and I'm very, very happy that I got this. This is a little bit of a different texture than my other Kikki planner. Oh, let me just bring it so you guys can see. Okay, so this was the first Kikki that I picked up, and it is actually quite chunky right now. I still haven't taken out some of my inserts, but this leather for this is the closest, I think, to the texture of this Own Your Story personal zip. Obviously, because this has some more like designs on it, it feels a little bit different, but this one feels like extra smooth for some reason, and that's obviously quite different than this other planner that I love. This is the other Christmas planner that I picked up recently, and it has like more of a textured leather to it that I love. This is probably my favorite Kikki leather, and it's in this gorgeous gray color. But don't you think they look so, so cute together? So before I start blabbering on about how cute all of my planners are, let's get into the flip through because I also want to see what is in these planners. So like I said, gold foiling on the front. It also has the gold foiling on the back here, the Kikki logo. The clasp is a little heart, and it is metal. It looks so, so cute. I know a lot of Japanese planners have this planner, and it looks so, so cute in all of their pictures and stuff like that, so that's why I had to get it. So this is the inside of the planner. Of course, you do get a notepad like all Kikki planners. I love this one. It has a little ladybug. It has a little red ladybug on the top there, and sort of like a peachy pink border on it. And that's really nice to have. Obviously, you do get these 2 little cards from Kikki, the I'm Unique one, as well as just like another extra one. So you have that top pocket there, and then 2 more pockets down here, and this secretarial pocket as well. The lining for this is the exact same color as the leather, but it's a canvas material. And I think it is really pretty, and it's not too much against the red dividers. The red is kind of the killing point, or the red is kind of like the emphasis of this planner, I think. So that's why I think they kept the lining the same color. Now let me just take out this cardboard. Okay, so as you can see, you do get a lot of paper in here, and that is because you also do get monthlies and weeklies in here. It is just like this planner that I picked up, the Christmas planner. This one also came with monthlies and weeklies in it, which I'm planning on using. So let me just line this up nicely for you guys to see. Okay, so the first tab is your monthly tab, and it says Every Moment is a Fresh Beginning by T.S. Eliot, and it's a really beautiful red divider. The back of the divider is the sort of like a peachy nudie color. On the other side, it is not white. With all of the Kikki planners, you do get some stickers, so here are some labels, and then some from the collection here, which I think are really, really pretty. And then you have your your monthly pages actually. And this says, be in love with your life every minute of it. I think that is the same as the last planner that I got. So here are the monthlies. It all has like this pink border around them, and you have space on the top here if you want to put washi or some notes. Saturday and Sunday are bigger. I'm not sure why they decided to do that. However, I quite like it. I don't really mind. So you have a Monday start and some really pretty boxes, and all of these inserts are undated. I will write how many inserts you get in here, how many months you get. Now because I have my other gray planner with these same inserts but with a gray background, I think it would be nice to be able to interchange some of these pink pages with my gray pages. Say for example on like February I want to change my monthly page into a pink one, and I'll be able to do that now that I have these inserts. So I think they're quite nice. This next divider does not have a quote on it, but it has a grid pattern on it. I think the grid works really well in this style. Here is all of the weeklies now. It says it all starts with an idea, and these are all of your weeklies. Horizontal, you get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday are half of the size of the regular weeks, and you have some space up here to write your month as well as your week. So you get a ton of pages in here. This is like so many pages, enough for the whole year, and again, I'll be able to interchange some of these with some of the ones in my other planner which have the gray background. So I'll have 2 years worth of inserts now that I have both of these planners, which is really nice. This next divider says to do on the tab here, and it says focus on growth, as well as a butterfly illustration there, and these are all of the to-do pages. Again, I also have these in the gray, and it just has a to-do section, a bunch of checklists, you have room to write the date, you have a box here for your top priorities, as well as your water intake at the bottom here. And again, I'll write down the number of pages of dailies you get in that as well. This next divider says, just in case no one's told you today, you are amazing. I really, really like that as well. And the back, again, is that blush color. So now you get all of the note pages that come in Kikki's planners. This is, again, oh, I don't think I mentioned this. The paper is quite thick in this. It is the same paper as in my Christmas one. I don't think it is the 120 GSM as the B6 planner, however it could be 100. This definitely is a lot thicker than the regular Kikki paper that came in, I think, I don't know what collection it was, but like the pink one with the gray and white stripe interior. I have the A5 version like literally sitting right there, but I can't seem to reach it right now as I'm filming. But yeah, the paper is definitely a lot thicker than the regular Kikki paper. I already did a pen swatch test on some of these inserts in another video recently, so be sure to check that out if you want to see what pens work well in this paper and what doesn't. This next divider is a grid one, just a plain grid, more note paper. This one says write it down with a dragonfly on top, more note paper. And this last divider says life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful, which is really, it's a really, really good quote. Again in the red color. And then the last section has, again, more note paper, all in the pink. In the back here you do get your notepad. So this is the big, long one. The border is a peachy color, the Kikki logo is red, and then it has a butterfly on the top here. And of course you have the pen loop, the elasticized pen loop, which is always really, really good. By the way, I didn't mention this before, but the rings obviously are gold, and I believe these are 30mm rings as well, because they are so, so massive. Let me show you a top view of them, so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So look at the amount of inserts that you get in here. That is insane. I'm definitely going to be using this in the new year, because I would be insane not to. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this flip through of the personal size of the Life is Wonderful collection. I know Desley put up a video of her pocket one. It's such a beautiful planner, that red, and it has little accents of this pink. I think it is so, so cute. And then Hannah also has a flip and setup of hers in a 5 size. So be sure to check out their videos as well, because like they're awesome. They're like so amazing. I always love watching their videos, so definitely check them out if you haven't already. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the Paper Lovers book. Now this is my very, very first Paper Lovers book, and obviously I picked up the one that matched my planner. As you can see, I think they look really, really cute. So if you don't know what a paper lover's book, it is basically filled with a ton of paper goodies. Kind of like, it's not origami, but you can make little like boxes and stuff, and obviously you can use a lot of these things in your planners. So let's do a flip of these. By the way, in this book you do get multiple collections, so that's why I picked up this one. I just chose the one that would fit me the best. So I really like this dotted pattern. The red border I really like as well. There's something that really like calls me with this red. I think the red is just really pretty. Oh, so here we have some of these. This one is a envelope, which is really pretty. It's a paper envelope. It's already scored, you can just pop it out, and I like how it's double-sided as well, and you can use like the paper around this as well in your planner, or if you're crafting, or if you're scrapbooking as well. That would be really, really nice. So here is another envelope. This one's a very light pink with white polka dots. The back is a gridded one. This is another envelope with the botanicals and insects. Normally I don't really like insects. I am terrified of spiders, but they make this really, really pretty. The bugs, the like beetles and stuff like that kind of scare me. Like this one scares me, this one does scare me as well, but this bee as well, like I'm terrified, but they make it pretty, so I'm not complaining. More grid paper. Really, really pretty. More pattern papers. Oh my gosh, I love stickers. Obviously, I own a sticker shop called ARIEBEA, and honestly, I just am obsessed with stickers. So you get some really pretty like foiled ones and some pink ones. I'm definitely going to be using this in my planner because I think it's so pretty. And I like how these pages are double-sided as well. So when you're done using the stickers on one side, you can use this as something else. I'm planning on using these. I have a few like picture frames that I want to change out. So I'm going to use these to decorate my room. Here's a little butterfly gift topper, which is really cool, and this is like a cardstock paper. These are some gift boxes, so the base and then the lid. Some more pretty stickers. These ones are circles. Again, the back has another graphic on it. And then you get paper bows. I love paper bows. I have one. I have a Kikki one here that was actually a digital download. I have one here in my planner already. It's kind of like bent and stuff because I only use regular printer paper. So I'm hoping to make another one with this cardstock paper because it's like thicker and more durable. Another gift box. This one is a paper rosette. That's interesting. I don't know how to make one of those, but I'll read the instructions to find out. Some more stickers. These ones are, oh, their sticker paper is quite thin actually. That'll be really nice and it won't bulk up your planner. These ones are really, really big. Some bigger stickers. Oh my god, that is a massive sticker. I'm gonna put that on a dashboard or something like that. So, so pretty. I really like the quotes on here. You're a limited edition, really like that. Pursue simplicity. I love that as well. Love yourself first. Everything you can imagine is real. Wonder at the world. Kindness matters, definitely. Life is wonderful. So, so pretty. Here is a heart paper mobile, which is really nice. Has a little graphic of how it's going to look like at the bottom here. And pink ones as well. These are little cards. So cute. This one's going to be so, so small. You can stick these in the pockets of your planner as well if you're not going to be gifting them. You can punch them, put them in your planner as well. These are some larger cards as well. Or no, these are not cards, these are not foldable cards, they're just like kind of like postcards, and they are scored. Some bigger ones you can put in your A5s if you want to use them as dashboards. Some large gift tags, smaller gift tags, you can also use those in your planner as well. And then we have another collection. I really like this collection. I think their patterns are really pretty and they're colors that I normally don't usually go for. However, Anne from Anna Jolene, she has the personal size planner and I think it's so pretty. It has like rose gold foiling on it, so I was definitely enabled by her to pick up this because the colors are really nice. So again, here is another envelope, a paper envelope, another one. You get some more pattern paper. I think this collection as well will fit my other two planners, so that is another reason why I got it. So I can just buy one paper lover's book and fill all of my planners. So this is a little treat box. a paper fan, another paper fan. These are the cards that are scored. These are the postcards. These are not foiled, they're just regular. But these stickers are definitely, or these gift tags are definitely foiled. I really like this rose gold. Really pretty. These are stickers. So nice. These are also stickers or like gift tags and stuff like that. Again, the back of the stickers is always like a little quote. I really like this design. I might put that one in one of my picture frames as well. Some more pattern paper. Oh wait, this is the new, I believe this one is the new Oh So Lovely collection. Before it used to be like a gray and a purple and a cream or a white. So now it is gold, gray, and this sort of minty color, which is really pretty. Look at all of that foil. Some more pattern papers, note papers. This is a letter envelope. That's really pretty. Again, I think this collection will also match my planners, especially this one will especially match this one when I take out some of the red things. This will definitely match as well for a different sort of feel. Maybe I'll do that in the spring. These are some cards with some foil, postcards, some more postcards. This one says, anything I've ever done that ultimately was worthwhile initially scared me to death. If you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. I want to make beautiful things even if no one cares. I love that. And all we have is now. The most wasted of all days is one without laughter. Never lose sight of the fact that just being is fun. Here's some more gift tags. Oh, some stickers. You get some long stickers here and some corners. Yeah, these are corners that you can use in your spreads, or you can use them in scrapbooking. And then the last two things here are some larger gift papers. So here is the one from the Life is Wonderful collection with the red checkered on the inside, and then this one, so it has some peach polka dots in the back there. And then the back of this is red. So that is the flip through of this Paper Lovers book. I think it's so pretty. I'm so happy to have this. So that is, I think, the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it was informational for you guys. I really hope I enabled you guys to take a look at this collection. Their stuff is so pretty. And I'm very, very excited to set up this planner for the new year. I've already started planning the inserts that I'm going to add in here, and how I'm going to be using my system. So be on the lookout for another video coming soon. Hopefully it will be before the new year. I'm hoping. I'm crossing my fingers. But here is a little sneak peek of the lineup. Look at this chunky guy that's going to come in here. A little sneak peek of all of the goodness that will be 2019, hopefully. Look how pretty they all look together. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. My heart is so happy right now. So I think that is it for this week's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!